In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set price alerts in TradingView. By the end, you'll have an active alert on your chart that automatically notifies you when a price or indicator condition is met. First, select your asset. On your TradingView screen, open the chart for the symbol you want to track. If you're not already on the right chart, use the symbol search to open it so the correct price data is visible. Next, open the Alert menu. Click the Alert button on the chart toolbar. This opens the Alert Setup window where you'll define exactly when TradingView should notify you. Now define the condition. In the Condition section, select what you want to monitor. You can choose the current price or an indicator from the list. Then choose the specific movement that should trigger the alert. For example, crossing up. This tells TradingView the exact event to watch for, such as price crossing above a level or an indicator crossing a signal line. If you're setting a price-based alert, make sure the level is set to the value you want monitored. Take a moment to confirm the symbol, time frame, and the condition text match what you expect on the chart so the alert doesn't fire too early or too late. Once that's done, set the expiration. Pick a date when you want the alert to stop running. This prevents it from staying active indefinitely. Choose a date that comfortably covers the period you need to monitor. You'll see the expiration listed in the alert details so you can verify it at a glance. Now customize the message. Add a clear name and a short message for the notification. But use wording that lets you immediately recognize what happened without opening the chart, like the symbol, level, and direction. Naming the alert carefully helps avoid confusion if you create more alerts later. From here, create the alert. Click Create to activate it. You'll see a horizontal line appear on the chart at the selected level, confirming the alert is live. The line helps you visualize exactly where the trigger will occur. If your condition uses an indicator, the alert will still reference that logic, and the line will indicate the key level involved. At this point, your TradingView price alert is set up. The chart shows the alert line, the condition is defined, the expiration is in place, and your custom message is saved. When the condition you chose occurs, TradingView will send the notification with the name and message you entered. That's it. Your alert is now created, active, and ready to notify you as soon as the condition is met. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.